Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Thanks for liking this video. Please do. Thank you. Subscribe to help us build this channel up as we look at properties here and around the world each week. Today we are in Dallas, Texas. $19.5 million on 3.25 acres is a mansion, 6 bedrooms, 7.4 bathrooms, 16,425 square feet, which is a bit of a beast. And this is a beauty to look at. Look at that. Stone frontage. Tiles to boot. The pitched roof up here. Columns, balconies, arched windows, and more. It is simply beautiful. Into the kitchen we go. And we see these pendant lights from the ceiling. Big beams up in the ceiling there, giving that Cornwall impression of the UK. Then we see a lovely splashback. Imagine walking in here, breakfast, big breakfast bar, over to the lounge, out the French doors to relax on a Sunday morning. Imagine it. Enjoyable, relaxing, massive sink there, dishwasher built in, stainless, and more. These double doors in timber are beautiful as well. It's just an exquisite home as we head around. Huge concrete fireplace and lovely detail here too on the front. Those French doors looking exceptional, looking out to what seems to be a swimming pool. Then down an amazing hallway with columns, some old lantern-type lights, and double doors all the way down with arches. Simply exquisite. Parquet floor at this end. It's an impressive home. Look at the detail. Everything is refined, and this is no exception to refinement. Feature wall on the left. Lovely wallpaper with a tree there. And then this huge white arch in timber frame looking exquisite. Double storage cupboard there. Huge dome-like ceiling next door in this master bedroom. And this is the entrance into the master bedroom. So simply amazing. Really, look at this. Wow, look at the curvature there on that. Incredible light fitting. Huge bank of cupboards and an amazing fireplace there. Imagine relaxing there. You've got up in the morning, you're having a cup of tea over here, enjoying the natural light coming in, enjoying the view of your own delicious room. And then we see this lattice work here, looking out to the garden with a door, rather huge door, actually. His and hers in the way of a ensuite, and her walk-in robe with a big area in the middle here, lots of room for shoes, and she's got plenty. He's got plenty of clothes too, and they look great in the dark timber. Lots of space, towels here as well, big granite top in the middle, and nice light feature too. This wonderful stone arch coming in, beautiful masonry work, detail. These lanterns look incredible, they're huge, and steps up into that lattice door there. Security gate coming through, so just exquisite. Love the fresh air coming through there on a summer's day. Very nice indeed. Huge black fireplace in stone. We see a wonderful painting there too. Reminds me of a constable, but it's not a constable painting, but it looks like that style. And then upstairs, a landing as well, paneled roof, and more. It is a mansion, but it is in Dallas, Texas, and it is a beauty. Look at this. Wow, steel all the way around in black. Huge lantern again, the feature of this home. They have done an incredible job on this property. Into the study, wood paneling again. Big windows, these little windows up the top giving it character and taste for sure. Into the washroom, almost like a Japanese style plant there, flowering. Into the hunting room, yes indeed, feature wall, TV, some heads, stag's heads, and some nice African style influences as well. Into a guest bedroom, dome ceiling, French doors, balcony, and beautiful furnishings. A suite, really, because it has the lounge element to it. Another bedroom, and more. A cat on the wall. Yes, it looks like a wild cat, but it does remind me of a normal cat. And then we see this African influence again here as we go around this exceptional home. Look at that detail there. Oh, yes, sirree. Games room. We've got a theater here. We've got pool table with TVs to watch all the different sports at once, and then a wonderful bar, kitchen area as well. Look at this entrance. Double doors in timber, heavy timber, stunning tiling and light settings as well. Imagine walking through your home, enjoying it, then heading into the garage and showing off your fantastic sports cars and seeing this feature wall here, which is really classy, and glass see-through garage door to get out. So much space, and tiled as well. Outside the gym, we have a water feature waterfall here too, and a steel rail staircase going up, and this stone wall here looking just fabulous. The whole house exterior is quite incredible. Columns here too. Al fresco area outside with mature gardens in Dallas, Texas. It's hard to believe we're in Dallas. It really is hard to believe looking at this simply amazing, delicious home. Look at the arches here. Look at the balconies. All the exterior architectural design, and then the water flows from the pool over this lovely, lovely feature. How does it feel to you? Would you like to live here? I certainly would. It is a home that is unforgettable, and this one is an absolute and utter winner. It is an 11 out of 10. It is exquisite. It is stunning. It is striking. It is a place that everyone would want to live in because it is so beautiful. Look at the staircase. Dome in gold. It is impressive. Baby grand. French doors out. Big stone fireplace. It all comes together with the timber in the ceiling as well. Those massive timber beams. Exquisite furnishings. This really is delicious. This is the delicious Dallas delight. Yes, indeed. Sideboard here, Art Deco style, with a lovely timber veneer, big fireplace, lowered light fitting chandelier type here, the sort of candelabra going on. It's a double, and a lovely round table. So much there. So much there. So much indeed. Would you like to tour this home? We sure would. We just did because we loved it. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. $19.5 million, 11 out of 10. The Dallas, what did I say? The Dallas delight. The Dallas delight of homes. I think I had another word too, but that's okay. Catch you on the next show. Please subscribe to help us build this channel up, and like would be great too, and comment as well. We'd love to respond to you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.